Hi, it's Leslie Ravenscroft here. As part of our flipped psychology program, you need a set of sub-skills to take you onwards. This is all about how to take notes Cornell University style. Cornell University is in Ithaca, New York. In the 1950s, Walter Pauk developed the Cornell University note-taking style. The idea is to get people to put all the notes on one side of A4. In 2008, Wichita University compared it to several other note-taking styles and found that it was the most useful in situations where students are required to synthesize and apply learned knowledge. Obviously, you're going to need to do that on our course. So what do you need to do it? Well, you need your exercise book with the checklist stuck in the front. You also need a variety of writing equipment. The writing equipment can be pens or pencils. A lot of people prefer to do it in ink, but some people prefer pencil because you can rub out irrelevant material. Colours can be useful too, and I'll get to that in a bit. So how do we start? Well, first of all, you divide up your paper using lines like so. Once you've got that on, you can put the title on. The title needs to be big and bold and black. It needs to stimulate your visual cortex. The title can either be taken from your student checklist or from the title page of the video. So in this case, it's how to take Cornell notes. In the left-hand column, you're going to write key ideas and questions. To help you, I'm going to cue these up on the video with green call-outs in the first few times you do it. You may decide to write them in green too. It's now time to start the video, but remember, keep your finger on the pause button. Look at the video and bullet point the ideas in order. Listen and put them in your own words. Paraphrase them, abbreviate them, and use symbols. Remember, when my talking gets too much, just stop me by using the pause button. This is the most important aspect, I think, of flipping psychology. You can add academic doodles if they help. Remember, an academic doodle is supposed to help you focus and see links between the ideas that people are talking about on the video. The other key thing you're going to put on your piece of paper is a key vocab. Again, to help you, I'm going to put red call-outs on the first few videos. When you've listened to the video, you've got to recite it out loud to yourself. So the video stops and you tell yourself out loud what you think you've learnt from the video. You might be thinking, why do I need to say it out loud? I'm just going to sound like a mad person talking to myself. Well, just as the title's bold and black to stimulate your visual cortex, talking out loud will stimulate your auditory cortex. All of these things will add more retrieval pathways to the information you are trying to encode. Now it's time to go away. Go away for 10 minutes, have a cup of coffee, walk the dog, stroke the cat, do an Instagram, and then come back. When you come back from having your short break, you can complete a review box at the bottom of your page. A review box is a short summary of what you've learnt, maybe in 2 or 3 sentences. And also you need to consider whether you have questions to ask me in your next lesson. If you complete this process carefully, you certainly will have questions. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope the skills you learn doing Cornell note-taking will help you both in your flipped psychology program and at university.